Hi everyone! From March 4th to March 7th at APPPEXPO Shanghai, IECHO will make a major appearance at booth 5.2 HA0389, where we will showcase our latest intelligent cutting innovations, including IECHO Super Cloud Factory, powered by AI intelligent production scheduling and integrated with the overhead conveyor system, enabling real-time coordination between material handling and cutting operations, significantly improving automation and production efficiency. The new TK5 digital cutting platform, featuring a modular architecture and multi-tool configuration, designed for industrial continuous production. It delivers high speed, high precision, and outstanding stability for demanding manufacturing environments. BK4 occupied with the VID system, enabling simultaneous scanning and cutting, greatly improving scanning efficiency and optimizing overall production workflow. At the same time, IECHO will be also exhibiting at Printing South China in Guangzhou from March 4th to March 6th. You can find us at Printing Hall booth 3.1 C25 and Label Hall booth 1.2 D05. One of the major highlights is the AI empowerment intelligent printing feature Smart Factory 4.0 Zone, where IECHO together with leading industry partners will present a fully integrated intelligent production workflow. Together with 11 leading industry partners, IECHO will showcase a fully integrated Smart Factory production line. Powered by IECHO AI system, it enables real-time coordination across entire workflow, from prep-press to final delivery, making production smarter and more efficient. Visit us and discover how intelligent cutting is driving new productivity for advertising, packaging, and label industries.